this out for tonight. See what kind of stuff I can find, get myself into. You never know. Here we go. Is there any critters in here? Because I don't feel like getting bit. Kind of rained today, and as you can tell, some strat guides got wet. They didn't close the lid. Look at that. Destiny strat guide ruined. There's another Call of Duty strat guide ruined. I was hoping they would close the lid. This right here a wee mini box. Yeah, I think I know somebody would love to have this box, so I'm gonna take it. These balls. More strat guides ruined because they didn't close the lid. Seems to be a lot of promo stuff. This is trash. See what we can find. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it, people. Gonna move on to the next one. Got a wee box. Location number 2. And you see my gas lights on, but look at my distance to empty. It's all lines. I think I better put some gas. Yeah, we're gonna try this one. Luckily, this lid is always closed because it's one of those top ones, and it's really high. So hopefully find something tonight. It's been kind of dry for the past week, so let's get started. Just my fucking luck. I say that they keep the lid closed and the lid is open. Damn. Let's see what we have. Nothing in that one. Nothing in that one. Bunch of Radio Shack stuff. Remember, people, I have a Radio Shack next to this Gamestop. Box. Another box. More boxes. Oh, I see what they threw in here. That's why they had to open the lid. Wow. They threw one of the big displays at the Radio Shack. Look at that. Look at that big old boy. They went in on throwing that thing away. Look at this. Perfect box. there is. See some metal pieces. This is too. Looks like to be just something they broke. It was a. No telling. I wonder if I even should try to see if there's any Gamestop trash in here. All these fucking boxes. Insane. Tons of boxes. What is that? Yeah. Hold on. You're wondering what that noise is? See that white box right there? It's moving off. Rundown, hot box, empty cases, Nintendo DS game case holder, doesn't look like it's in games. Yeah, looks like they hold a pretty good amount, pretty cool. And a brand new Nintendo DSi, or DS carrying satchel. Till the next one, people, I'm out. Peace.